You know when you eat a lot and you're just like a disgusting human being and you hate yourself for it? And you just keep eating? That's Danny. No. Hey, time to get up. Alright guys, I'm up. I am now up. This is me adulting today. I am not getting out of this cocoon. No, I just don't feel like it. And if I get out of this cocoon, I'm gonna have to wash my hair. Oof. Definitely gonna have to wash my hair. You know when you add dry shampoo to your hair for like 5th or 6th day and it's not cute right now? I need coffee or I can't even talk. Yeah, I'll make some coffee. 1 second. I don't know why I keep using this cup. I think it's just like little man syndrome or something, or little girl syndrome. I can let people know I'm the boss. I just woke up, fresh face, fresh, clean face. I have it right here. So it'd be like perfect. Do it, get ready with me and show you guys how to cover it up. I'm not gonna do that. Today I want to start my bulk. I've already been bulking for like a week or 2 now, but I really wanted to start the series because I've been eating a lot. So I want to start it now because I don't know how long I'm gonna do this bulk. I want to save for a few months. But basically what I'm gonna do and my plan of action is to shoot for like minimum 2,200 calories per day. My maintenance is 1,800, like 1,800, 1,850. So I think that eating about 2,200 to 2,500 a day, awesome, but I wanna try to get no less than 2,200 calories a day. I'm sure a lot of you are asking what my macros are, but as I've told you guys before, like I'll follow macros prepping down for a show, but not like on my off season. I never count my macros. The only thing I count is my protein. So I'm gonna make sure I get at least 105 grams of protein. The rest are gonna go to carbs and fat. I eat intuitively. Try to get at least 2,200 calories, try to get 105 grams of protein, and the rest are gonna go to carbs and fat. That's just my way of doing it. I'm probably gonna do this for a few months. My job is to stay fit like year round, guys. I can't do like a full on crazy bulk, even though I would love to. I feel like I'd be so good at that. I'd be so good at dirty bulking, where you just eat whatever you want all day, every day, and just lift heavy. That's what a dirty bulk is. And I'd be so good at it, but I can't do that. I do photo shoots and stuff. So yeah, that is my plan of action. And I also wanted to say thank you so much to like all the support and love that I've gotten. Everyone in the comments is so nice. Like they leave me nice comments, but you guys also leave each other nice comments and like talk amongst each other. You guys find like Instagram friends for each other through my YouTube, and I just got goosebumps because I think that's so freaking cool. I don't know how I've done that. I don't know how I've been able to pull in so many like positive, like-minded, wonderful people. It's like overwhelmingly amazing, and I'm so grateful to be a part of this. Like it's amazing. It's beyond words. Like I can't even describe how amazing this really is. All right, guys, time to wash this hair. I have to eat breakfast first. I'm just such a monster until I eat my breakfast. Ooh, also, I want to show you guys this. One of my friends, she's such a sweetheart. I grew up with her. She makes these cutting boards, and they're so freaking cute. She hand carves these. So I bought 2 of them. I'll put the website on, I think it's Etsy. I think she has an Etsy account. Nice and smooth and like gorgeous. Breakfast is ready, and hair is still not washed. Okay, so what I have for breakfast, 1 cup of oats. I put a little bit of creamer in here, sugar-free peppermint mocha creamer, because that's my favorite. I don't have to do sugar-free, but I'm like obsessed with that one. So I have a lot of it right now. And then I also put a whole scoop of cinnamon French toast, 1UP protein. If you guys ever see me drinking protein in my videos, it's this brand, 1UP Nutrition. If you guys don't like oats cereal, it's from I Eat Protein. Very lightly processed, puffed the quinoa. And there's flavors added, so there's peanut butter, cinnamon, and chocolate. Cinnamon is my favorite. Drink it with unsweetened vanilla almond milk. You can use regular milk if you want, whatever milk is your choice, but you can also take a little bit of protein, mix it with water so you get your protein in there and use it as milk. That's definitely a good option. Neuro, what are you barking at? What are you barking at? There's nothing out there. There's nothing out there. You're just a big bully. You're just trying to bark at all the squirrels. You go to your corner. No? You have been really disobedient lately. This is what happens when you're a single mom. You see what you do to me, Neuro? You see what you do to me? Yes. 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 Where's that naan bread? There it is. There it is. Because that's all I want.
Wait, that's still like not a lot.
Did they just give us 1? Wow. Why would they only give you 1 naan bread?
If you only took 1, you had 1 job.
I asked for, okay, there's 2. That's not enough.
That's not enough.
It's not enough.
We're gonna finish. We're going to just
Oh my gosh. Rude.
Rude.
not give us enough naan today.
But that garlic sauce though. Yes, guys.
So what? That's mayonnaise. It's mayonnaise.
It's mayonnaise with some garlic.
It's aioli.
Yeah.
Aioli.
We're all bulking.
Yes.
All of us are bulking right now. We got chicken and rice.
Oh my god.
Chicken and rice, chicken and rice.
It was an accident.
Danny got some spicy hummus.
And we're bulking.
Don't eat this. This is not good for you.
I didn't get rice because I wanted naan.
She wanted naan bread instead.
balance.
Where's my naan bread? Okay, so I get a whole one and you guys share the rest. Okay. You guys live in San Antonio. Pasha's one of my favorite restaurants. They do have a lot of healthy options, so I usually get the kebab chicken with a little side of vegetables and some rice, and definitely not the naan bread. And some garlic sauce if you're bulking. If you want to be a really disgusting human, take some naan bread, you dip it in the mayonnaise / garlic sauce, and you dip it into carbs. It's a carb taco.
Yeah.
We eat like savages.
He gets mad when I don't do it.
Especially Danny. Danny has like
Daddy's all about
no chill.
today.
Danny's no chill. Colleen's classy.
She can't even speak.
I can't even speak because I'm savage. We're not allowed to eat in public anymore.
We're
Sorry, no.
disgusting.
We're gonna start just door dashing everything. This is not sponsored by DoorDash. What's wrong, Danny?
I don't know.
That's a typical girl thing. What's wrong with you? I don't know. Stop!
I'm losing it.
I didn't think Pasha was that funny.
It's not.
You know when you eat a lot, you're just like a disgusting human being and you hate yourself for it, and you just keep eating? That's Danny.
Where's the wheelchair?
When you can't handle your carbs.
Carb coma. Carb coma.
She's committed carbicide. Happy Monday, guys. It is Monday, and sorry I did not finish vlogging yesterday. I got super into email, and it's gorgeous out. I knew it was out. I had quite a few emails to answer, so that is what I did all day yesterday. Did not work out, but today's a new day. Sorry, B. Don't act like you don't do the same thing when you say B. I might have had some chicken and rice for breakfast and some garlic sauce and some naan bread, but it's all good. Today on the agenda, we have a lot of stuff going on, a lot of stuff to do with Buff Bunny Collection. Actually, this is one of the sample bras that we are coming out with. It's not going to be out until January, I think. It's like full coverage, but then the mesh is see-through, so it does show a little bit of cleavage. Our other two bras are conservative sports bras, so this is just kind of, this one's a little flirty. So yeah, we have a lot of stuff going on with Buff Bunny Collection. I'm gonna train, I'm gonna hang out with my girl Jessica. She just competed this last weekend with my girl Tara, who I'm seeing later, so you're gonna see both of them in my vlog today. Jessica and I are gonna get in a glute and leg workout at the gym, and then Tara's gonna come over later today, and I think she's gonna be joining the Buff Bunny Collection team, so that's exciting. I'm gonna do a Q&A on Snapchat, that's why I have like my hair and makeup done, and then I'm gonna eat something, go work out with Jessica, meet up with Tara later, and we're gonna get stuff done today. Also, I do wanna do a Q&A on YouTube, so what I'm thinking is that on this video, I want you guys to comment below with any questions that you have regarding fitness, nutrition, lifestyle, supplements, personal life, hair, makeup, literally whatever you guys want to ask me. If you guys see other people asking questions and you're like, I want to know that answer too, give it a thumbs up down below, and I'll try to answer the ones that have the most thumbs up. Regarding the giveaway, I have a lot of you guys asking questions about it. The Beets giveaway, it is 5 pairs of Beets that I'm giving away in like 3 weeks to people who ever engage on my channel worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you live in the world, as long as you are engaged on my channel, watching the videos, any of the videos. So it doesn't have to be from here on. It can be, you can watch all my old ones, my new ones, basically like within 30 days, whoever is most engaged. Watching the videos, giving them a thumbs up, sharing them, commenting on them is how I'm gonna pick the winners. So it's exciting, and that is all the info for that. I'm gonna go inside and get my life together before I work out. I don't know where I put the...
Your booty!
Oh, is it coming out? Sorry about it. I feel like you guys can see the sports bra now. So this is the new one coming out. This probably won't be out till January, but I really like this sports bra. Functional, but it's also a little fun. This new crop top color. Oh, I really like this color. Yep. Let's go train, guys. Jessica just got here and we are about to go get in a workout. So I showed you guys my outfit, and these are the shoes that I usually wear whenever I'm going to be going to the gym, lifting heavy, like trying to get them glutes, build up them legs, especially when I'm bulking. If I'm lifting heavy, these are Reebok CrossFit Olympic lifting shoes. They have the strap on the front of them, and I definitely recommend them if you are going to be lifting heavier, trying to do PRs, like all that. I like lifting in these, and also Converse. Like Converse do well for me. And then I usually wear just basic Nikes if just like biceps, triceps, calves, like smaller muscle. Let's go. Say hi, Lexi. This is Jessica. We're gonna be working out today.
Yes.
I got some Sweet Sweat. You wanna come out here and I'll lather it up on you? I don't put on Sweet Sweat every single day. The sole purpose of it is, actually a lot of athletes use it, professional athletes, so a lot of football players. It was created to help your body warm up properly so you avoid injuries. If you're prone to injuries, it's really great to use. I like to put it on my legs and glutes if I'm going to be training them. The reason for that is it helps increase blood flow in that area. My right hamstring, I do have some issues with it warming up enough, so I like to make sure I lather it on my right hamstring before training. Like today, I'm just gonna put it on my legs. I'm not gonna put it on my whole upper body. Because of the increase of blood flow, it's gonna cause you to sweat a little bit more, which is nice because it helps with water retention. Just gonna put it on her arms. Wow, you're so lean. Wait, flex. I see you, girl. No, you look good. She just competed this Saturday. We just got to the gym. Well, Jessica, we're gonna train some glutes and legs. We pulled into Gold's Gym. This is the one on Bulverde. I heard it's really nice, so we're gonna kind of check it out. Hopefully they have some new leg glute stuff that we can use. The Gold Gym that I usually go to is kind of limited. Some good booty machines. We'll see what they got. What's going on, YouTube? Today's workout was a glute building workout, and since I'm bulking, I'm really trying to focus on building up my legs, but especially my glutes. One of my goals is to have a glute hamstring tie-in for my next show, because I've never had one. For my previous shows, I've gotten close, but not quite. So I was like, you know what, I really need to build up my glutes, my hamstrings, diet down a little, and get that glute hamstring tie-in for my next show. So I'm gonna make that happen. When I'm building my glutes, I usually concentrate on 4 to 5 exercises, and I do quite a few sets with low reps. Today's workout, I did 5 different exercises, and I mainly did 6 sets of 6 reps. So I did go a little bit heavier with each exercise that I did. I started off with some barbell squats. I did a warm-up of 25 reps. I did some hip swings, and then I got into my workout doing barbell squats. I did 1 set of 10 reps with 25 pounds on each side of the barbell, followed by 6 sets of 6 reps with 35 pounds on each side of the barbell. I can squat heavier than that, but I was doing a different form of squat. Instead of going slow on the way down, slow on the way up, I went slow on the way down and used full force on the way up, so I exploded on the way up of every single rep. I then moved on to doing stiff leg deadlifts. I did 1 set of 10 reps, followed by 6 sets of 6 heavier reps. And this Smith machine was actually a little on the heavier side, so I only did 25 pounds on each side for the 6 sets of 6 reps. And I definitely love that exercise. I feel it so much in my glutes and my hamstrings. And you can actually see a little bit of my tie-in coming in at the bottom of every single rep. So love, love, love it. I then moved on to doing some glute hip thrusts on the Smith machine. I also did 6 sets of 6 reps with this exercise. I did add a 45-pound plate to elevate my feet onto so that I could get a deeper range of motion with that exercise. Moving on to the next exercise, we did the single leg press, and we did this 1 leg at a time. We did 4 sets of 10 to 12. This was towards the end of the workout, and our legs were already exhausted, so this was more of just pumping them out, making sure that they got in an amazing workout. So typically I like to do a lot of reps in the beginning, go really heavy, go really hard throughout the workout, and then end with some higher rep exercises. After those 4 exercises, we still felt like we could do a little bit more. So we did the glute master. We did 6 sets of 6 reps, and then we called it a day. So this was one of the best glute workouts I've had in a really long time. I can barely move today. So hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Come on, Jessica. We just got a couple more left. You can do it. I got faith in you. what it's like training with Buff Bunny. Workout is finished. I am so done. So tired, dying. So Jessica. Alright guys, so we're back in the gym. Making a protein shake. I used the cinnamon French toast from 1UP. Because, you know, got them good macros, but had to add a little bit of creamer in it because I still haven't bought half and half because I suck at life. I really need to go grocery shopping, guys. I really need to go. Also added some water and ice, and there you go. Boom. Shakalaka. Just need some sprinkles to complete this, which I also don't have because I haven't gone grocery shopping. Lexi, I know you didn't want a protein shake, but I just want to let you know that you're really missing out.
What did you put in it?
Something magical? You get the pineapple.
Yay. Thank you.
Yeah, aren't you jealous right now? Sucks to be Lexi right now.
You got a coconut?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so cute. Look at that.
HEB? Are you jealous?
I'm pretty jealous.
Mm.
Why is
really
your bicep
good.
so jacked right now?
My bicep?
Yeah.
Is it jacked right now?
It was.
It's because I'm bulking.
Earlier she took a photo, it was like, boom.
I can't help it. I got guns.
I can't help it.
I think it's the Alaska in me.
Feels like
Gotta carry 2 guns everywhere. Alright guys, so it is, it's 8 o'clock and I'm gonna close my vlog out because Tara is here and we're gonna get some work done. She just joined the Buff Bunny collection team. Congrats, yay! And she did amazing at her show this weekend. If you guys want to see the show details, you can go check out her channel. She has like all the behind the scenes on there and she looked amazing. She was like a beautiful little princess, Barbie doll. But thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next vlog. Also, I know I didn't really show a lot of food in this vlog, so I'm sorry, but if you're wondering if I hit my goal calories today, I definitely did. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my vlogs. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to show your support. Also, if you live in the Edmonton or Calgary area in Canada, Live Fit and I will be flying out there to do a free meetup at the West Edmonton Mall and the CF Market Mall on the 19th and 20th. If you want to see more information about it, check out the video description. I will post more details in that area, as well as check out my Instagram, Buff Bunny. I did post a flyer on there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.